In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Power BI to Monday.com. By the end, you'll have the Power BI Embedder app installed and ready to use inside your chosen Monday.com workspace. Start by opening Monday.com and signing into your account. Make sure you use a browser where you're already authenticated. And if you're part of a larger team, confirm you have permission to add apps. Some accounts restrict marketplace installs to admins. So if you don't see the options I mentioned next, you may need an administrator to complete the installation for you. Once you're in, look to the top of the page and click your profile icon. This opens a personal menu where you can access various account and workspace settings. From that menu, select App Marketplace. This is where Monday.com lists all approved apps that extend your workspace, including integrations for reporting and analytics. When the marketplace opens, use the search bar and type Power BI. Capitalization doesn't matter, the search will find it either way. In the results, look for the listing called Power BI Embedder. This is the app that lets you display live Power BI reports and dashboards inside Monday.com, so your team can view insights without switching tools. Click the listing to open its details page. On the app page, click Install App. During installation, you'll be asked where the app should be available. Choose whether you want it accessible across all workspaces or only specific ones. If you're testing or rolling out gradually, selecting specific workspaces is a great way to keep things organized and limit access while you validate your setup. After you've made your selection, click Install to confirm. The system will process the installation and then prompt you to choose a workspace where you want to start using the app. Pick the workspace that will host your Power BI content. This might be a team hub, a project board, or an executive reporting space, depending on your needs. With your workspace selected, click Add App. That's it. The app is now added to that workspace. From here, you can surface your Power BI content where your team already collaborates, keeping context, tasks, and analytics in one place. If you don't see the app appear right away, refresh your browser tab. A quick tip: viewing embedded Power BI content typically requires appropriate Power BI licensing and access to the reports in your organization. If something isn't displaying, check permissions in both Monday.com and Power BI and make sure the app is enabled for the right workspace. You've successfully added Power BI to Monday.com. Thanks for watching and enjoy bringing your data to your team's daily workflow.